now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play with me, babe. Play with me, baby. Play a little game with you. Cause if you wanna stay, then I'll play with my yeah. You playing with my yeah. You playing with my you playing with me, oh boy. Take me over. I know you got the run. Oh, take me under. I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none by run, baby, bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. But you can get one.
Hey pretties, welcome back to the mother freaking Pretty Girls Club, and you're now watching your president, Miss Pretty. Hey pretties, hey girls, welcome back to another upload from your girl. As y'all girls can see by the thumbnail and the title, I'm wishy-washy on what I want it to be. Probably like a 24-hour girl day. I think that's what I want to do because I'm about to do my makeup. We about to get ready for my best friend birthday. It's my best friend birthday, Melanie Raylan. If y'all don't watch my best friend, go watch her YouTube channel and go subscribe on this day, like, period. But today is her birthday. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd, and I thought, why not just put it at like a girl day for the vlog come Wednesday. So that's what it will be. I'm about to do my makeup. I'm about to do my hair. Well, fix my edges. I still got my braids in. I'm about to do my edges, get ready. We have to wear all pink at her dinner, and then after the dinner, we are going out. So y'all girls will see that whole process. Like, it's going to be like a 24-hour. Right now, it's 3:36, so it's not 24 hours. But, yeah, yo. Let's go. But, yeah, girls. Where y'all been? How y'all been? Thank you for clicking this video, Bookie. Let me drink this y'all. Y'all, if y'all haven't already, go follow me on Instagram at Ari Shawdae and follow my spam at xo.shawdaexo. If you know, you know. I started my flower business, y'all. I will be selling like customized bouquets for birthdays, weddings, celebrations, graduation, etc., etc. Y'all, I cannot wait till my supplies come in. I have ordered them. It's gonna be so pretty. Like, all my work is gonna be so pretty, and I just can't wait for it, y'all. I really can't wait for it. That's all I keep talking about, y'all, because I feel like, you know, I like to do hair. I really do, but it's a process when people already have their hair done, like especially around like holiday time. You'll be booked up for the end of the month, then come like the first week of the next month, you wouldn't have many clients because everybody already got their hair done, unless you like your books is fully booked out. That's the only way. But yeah, y'all just can't keep relying on hair, people booking when they want to, etc., etc. So I need a second income. YouTube is one, but second income, flower business, boom. I can't wait to do for Halloween, y'all, because y'all know girls love to get flowers for Halloween. Can't wait to make the spooky bouquets, y'all. It's really going to be so cute, y'all. I just cannot wait, and I'm going to keep talking about it. But we really got to get ready because Melanie texting me now. I need to put my phone on the charger. I learned me a new makeup technique, y'all. I was watching like different techniques on YouTube and stuff like that. I don't know. I'm ready to take these braids out. I wanted to get my hair done. I gotta fix my nails. So it's really like a girl day, y'all. My nails. I got more nails up in the bag in the bathroom. I'm gonna go get that. Babe, can you reach me that gray bag that's in the bathroom? These are the two products I use, y'all. I use my e.l.f. primer and this Nivea moisturizer, y'all. I seen a girl on TikTok, the girl who page. Let me pull up her page because I'm about to copy it again. Because it was really cute when I did it. And whenever, I don't know, y'all, whenever I like put like any kind of moisturizer on my face, I shape it. Like, I don't just do it like that. I shape. Girl, who I think I am? I don't know. And then I bring it all down. And then for the top, push it up. For like a facelift or something. I don't know. But, and I also still got my lashes on from the last video. No, I don't. I put me some new ones on. Yeah, I had put me some new ones on. I don't know if you're supposed to. I think you're just supposed to pat that in, y'all. I don't know. Don't ask me, because I don't know. I will be ordering me some new makeup for the trip coming soon next week. Yo, we about to be in motherfucking Miami with the gang. Oh, excuse me. We about to be in motherfucking Miami with the gang. If you know, you know. Our trips always be the best, y'all. We done been to Puerto Rico, Houston. That's our second. This our third trip, I think. Is it? Well, you know, me and Melanie and me and my girlfriend been traveling like. All right. Girl, she's so bad. Anyways, but yeah. So yeah, girl.
Somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires. I know. You got desires. I know. You got desires. You got that fire, and I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees, every day had to talk beside. I'm in that 80 and one of the different prior. I try to pay all your loans, so I pick up you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move your way from history before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change. Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires. I know. You got desires. I know. You got desires. Hey. Self-control is never been your thing. Don't think it'll help if there's a ring with a dog. Where I'm from, they serve the soda clean. You come from a city where there's lean with the dogs. How the fuck you keep so many seats? How you going vegan but still beat? How the fuck you see so many beaches? Tickets to them places don't come cheap. I see it back in church. Remember we took it at first. Get it? Got you a whip. We ain't got back on the shit. I had to tell Eric go get it. I'm always moving too fast. The feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know, a different environment. You got desires. I know. You got desires. I know. You got desires. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja.
Now it's time for me to do my nails. I'm about to wash my hands and move this makeup around. But your girl is done. After I do these nails, I'm gonna show y'all. It's just only got to press on 2 or 1. Well, 3. Hold on, y'all. Be right back. Alright, y'all, these are the nails. Y'all, I'm about to get ready. I'm about to put on this little two-piece pink set that I got from Old Navy. And then I'm going to see y'all girls at the dinner because we got to push out and make sure we get there on time. But I just put on regular, period. Let me get ready though. Alright, y'all, this is my pink fit. My New Balance silver jewelry, tassel bag, and this pink two-piece set from Navy. Got me some hoops, makeup, period, y'all. Let's go. Made it in the car, now we on the way to the picture. Y'all, look what I got, my bestie. Look at the princess balloon, y'all.
That boy.
And I
Aries game, yeah.
Everybody here. Oh, Lord. I'm about to put this inside. Let me show y'all queen. Oh, she's sitting down right now.
I'm trying to see if we can do better.
Stand up, best. Happy birthday. Girl, she look like she getting married, baby. $1 million right here. Little girl, baby. Say hey. She got her pink on.
Let me hold it. I got that.
Look deep.
One shot, that's all. I like that. Anybody else want to take pictures?
I don't like it.
Wait, do that pose one more time and scoot over this way a little bit. There you go. Alright, go ahead. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. One more. Alright. Come on. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Y'all
She gonna fix my hair. Just take it while she fixes my hair. Look what I told him though. She gave me a whole thing right. She did my hair.
Wait, one more. I didn't get the shoot for that one. Alright, that should be good.
Can you take one me?
Let me do it.
Girl, you don't know how to do it.
Alright, like this.
Know that woman recording? I know how to press the button now.
Ready? Wait.
No, don't back up. Just zoom in or out.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more.
The flash on this in the way.
You sure? Yeah, let's try to take my picture. I didn't eat my food.
Happy birthday.
Hey pretties, it's my birthday. Spam the comments. Hashtag Barbie Day. Bye y'all.
Yeah, we all done eating. Now we about to sing happy birthday and she about to open her gifts. And then after we do that, we about to go home. I need to pick up my shirt from my mama. If y'all haven't already, go book with my mama, 360 Prada. She do it all, period. But yeah, after we do that, we gonna go get ready at home. Then we going outside. And y'all gonna see us turn down. Look on outside. I'm really delusional. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Melody. Happy birthday to you. And many more are you.
21.
I like how you put that on.
20. How old are you?
20.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, bestie.
It's not going, Mom.
She's sharing her location.
It's going. That means you gotta let it burn. It's burning slow. But let me just.
Wait, let me take.
Period. I got her princess balloon.
Y'all, I don't think y'all can see.
Girl, you can just whip that vest. I don't know how I did. I don't know. Motherfucking Barbie. Shut it down. Thank
I didn't give my perfume. I done batted it up.
And I got you a new Pilates set, period.
Thank you. Girl, I need this. I can wear my pink Uggs with this.
Oh, I ain't know you had it.
Yeah, happiness is blooming every. Thank you.
Let's just scribble one. Read my point right there. Read my point.
Girl, I read something else, bro.
Read it right now.
Happy Princess Day. I love you so much, bestie. Enjoy your 20s while you can, because remember, you'll be 30 before me.
Thanks. Well,
You know what? You got a few months after. Thank you. This was so sweet. Happy
welcome,
birthday,
babe.
TD. I love you and so proud of the woman you're becoming. Love, TD. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, honey cherry. Happy birthday.
alright, y'all, we back at home, y'all. I had changed my shorts, put these pink ones on, and look at the shirt my mama made, the best friend. Here, and I got 6 different photos. When we went to Atlanta, brunch, and church, Puerto Rico, Atlanta, Puerto Rico. Period. I love our vacation pictures. I hope I'll be able to record for y'all. That's all I'm worried about. I just hope I'll be able to record for y'all, but yeah, we about to have a time.
How about this boy global?
The first one to get up. I'm not drunk. Surprise me. Why I gotta get up first?
Happy birthday, best friend. You enjoyed your day?
Yes, pretty.
You enjoyed your day for real? Good night, y'all. Be so
Like,
live.
comment, subscribe, yeah. Post notification. Put my foot down. Shut
She's 20 years old, yo.
Let's subscribe to this old shit drunk. I gotta pee. Lost my key.
Bitch, we can't find the keys. Good morning, y'all. My camera's finna die, but y'all, today is the next day. Today is Wednesday, and me and the besties about to go to, me, my girlfriend, and our best friends about to go to the beach in Biloxi for my bestie birthday. And yeah, y'all could just come along with us. You know, I'm about to get it. I got this regular black dress on with this red 2-piece bathing suit that I wore in Miami. And I just got my, yeah, y'all. And that's my girlfriend. Let me see, babe. She got her black on, but she got red shorts under that.
Say goodbye. Don't you gonna start hating me, baby?
Ashley TT to y'all and Kelly in the show too.
Alright, y'all, we made it to Brick and Spoon in Biloxi. Bestie right here. Other bestie over there. Here we go. I think we're gonna eat outside. Cause it's cool out here.
besties.
Yeah, we made it.
Bacon and sausage.
Oh, where my sausage at?
Here's a side of bacon. The rest of it's gonna come out in a second.
Alright. Bussin', y'all. You sure good. Bussin' for sure.
I've been in feelings, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith.
Y'all, food was really 10 out of 10. Definitely was 10 out of 10, y'all. We about to go to the beach now. Dove in the car probably crying down. But we really about to go, y'all. I had got me some shrimp pasta to go.
Can I get a plastic bag?
Yeah, this goddamn sun. But y'all, we made it to the beach. And now we're gonna get on the bikes right there. In a few. And now we about to set our pad up real quick. Yeah, I'm building a sandcastle. Mel's supposed to be building one too. I got my, oh baby, I'm getting wet. I'm gonna do a little cute small one.
It's not deep enough. It's not deep enough. My phone. Too long. You and like do 15-15. He said, but one person have to always stay on. Like, we can't swap two people. We only can swap one and one and one.
It just makes me more.
So like, the besties. Who's look better, y'all don't lie.
Girl, I ain't even put my designs on it. I ain't even put my platform.
So whose side y'all on the pretty side or the barb side? Comment down below.
Get it sexy. That ain't the part. Yo, look how I said careful. It's not going anywhere.
What it was?
We playing these games now, y'all.
I know. What's your favorite thing to see me wear? Her ass, when she at work, her ass go to post and I be like, bitch, what's wrong with you? Blowing at.
Yeah, I'm beat. So, I gotta use the bathroom, but we about to be the beach. And then after we're gonna hang y'all.
Thank y'all so much for inviting us.
Period, thank y'all. Me too.
We still gonna walk on the bridge, huh, y'all?
We're about to go walk on the bridge. Yeah. Y'all look messy. Bro, Bible verses. So go see what these Bible verses is. I'm gonna go see when I get home. So y'all, I had fun today. It was really nice. We went to brunch and we went to the beach, played games. I ain't drinking, y'all. Yesterday was my day. Ain't no drinks for me until the trip, period. But I'm gonna catch y'all girls when I get home because we're about to be leaving after this. The outro was in slow-mo, y'all, so I couldn't get a new outro. But thank y'all pretty so much for watching your girl channel. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to be a part of the pretty gang so you never ever miss an upload. Y'all, I had so much fun in this vlog. Happy birthday to my bestie, period. But yeah, y'all, bye y'all.